How many pots can you count? 1, 2 pots. Good job. How many carrots can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4 carrots. Excellent. How many circles can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 circles. Bravo! Count the spoons. 1, 2 spoons. Yay! How many popsicles can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 popsicles. Awesome! How many rectangles can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rectangles.